Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many aspire to master, but few truly understand: money management. Ever wonder how the wealthy navigate their finances? Well, today you'll discover strategies they use to build and maintain their wealth. So grab a notepad and let's get started on mastering money like the rich. Before we jump into strategies, let's take a moment to understand what wealth truly is. Wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's a complex state of financial health that encompasses various factors such as assets, income, and importantly, financial literacy. It's about understanding how to leverage resources effectively and seize opportunities that can lead to financial growth. We need to differentiate between being rich and being wealthy. Being rich often refers to having a lot of money in a bank account or owning expensive possessions. Wealth, however, is about sustainability and long-term financial health. Wealthy individuals tend to focus on generating recurring income and acquiring assets that appreciate over time. This means they are not only looking at the money they have today, but also at how to make that money work for them in the long term. Understanding wealth also involves recognizing the mindset of the wealthy. Many wealthy individuals have a growth mindset. They believe that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This helps them to embrace challenges, accept failure as a part of growth, and remain resilient in the face of financial setbacks. On the other hand, those who struggle financially often have a fixed mindset, believing that their financial situation is unchangeable. Wealthy individuals think about their money in more strategic ways. They see money as a tool for creating opportunities rather than merely a metric of success. They typically prioritize financial independence above all else, meaning they work to build assets that can support them without needing to rely on a paycheck. This often includes investments in real estate, stocks, business ventures, or any other income-generating assets. Additionally, wealthy individuals understand the importance of delayed gratification. They often choose to invest in their future instead of spending frivolously on immediate pleasures. For instance, rather than spending their bonuses or windfalls on luxury items, they will invest those funds to create further opportunities for wealth accumulation. They grasp the enormous power of compound interest and are likely to put idle cash into investments that will grow over time. Moreover, financial literacy plays a crucial role in accumulating and maintaining wealth. Many affluent individuals continuously educate themselves about finance, whether through reading books, attending seminars, or consulting financial experts. They stay informed about economic trends, tax laws, and investment strategies that can enhance their financial portfolio. This ongoing education enables them to make informed decisions and avoid financial pitfalls. Lastly, there's a common belief among the wealthy that sharing knowledge and resources contributes to their wealth. Philanthropy, in many ways, isn't contrary to wealth building for the rich. Rather, it's an investment in social capital, which can create networking opportunities and often leads to insights and partnerships that strengthen their financial position. In essence, understanding wealth is not just about having money, it's about empowering oneself through knowledge, strategic planning, and long-term thinking. It's crucial to adopt this wealth mindset to begin mastering money on your journey to financial success. First up, budgeting. Successful financial management starts with a solid budget, but not all budgets are created equal. The wealthy often employ various strategies to make their budgets not just tools of restriction, but frameworks for maximizing their financial potential and achieving their goals. One effective method that many financially successful people adopt is the 50-30-20 rule. Let's break down what that entails. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet powerful framework for managing finances. It consists of dividing your after-tax income into three key categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This method helps individuals prioritize their spending and allocate resources effectively. 1. 50% on needs. The first step involves identifying necessity-based expenses. These are your essentials, things you cannot live without. This category includes housing costs like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and any other obligatory expenditures. Wealthy individuals often take this step a bit further. They ensure that their needs are met in a way that doesn't compromise their ability to save. They might live in a moderately priced home, drive a reliable car, or limit discretionary spending in this category. 2. 30% on wants. After your needs are covered, it's time to enjoy life. But the key is to be mindful of your spending. This 30% should be allocated for discretionary expenses, things that enhance your lifestyle but aren't strictly necessary. This can include dining out, vacations, luxury items, and entertainment. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of enjoying the fruits of their labor. However, they are also careful not to let these wants overshadow their savings and investing. They often make conscious choices, prioritizing experiences over material goods, which can contribute to their happiness without derailing their financial goals. 3. 20% on savings and debt repayment. Finally, the remaining 20% of your income should go towards building your financial future. This portion can be invested in savings accounts, retirement funds, and other investment vehicles that enable your money to grow over time. Additionally, if you have any debts, like credit card debt or student loans, this is where you should prioritize repayments. Wealthy individuals often view debt repayment as a form of savings, as becoming debt-free can significantly increase their available income for future investments. While the 50-30-20 rule provides a solid foundation, wealthy individuals often take additional steps to enhance their budgeting process. Here are some strategies they tend to employ. Track expenses wisely. Many affluent people meticulously track their spending. They may use budgeting apps or software to categorize their expenses, set limits, and regularly review their financial health. This not only helps them stay accountable, but also identifies any areas where they might be overspending. Set clear financial goals. Creating specific, measurable financial goals can transform budgeting into a more purposeful activity. Instead of simply saving money, wealthy individuals focus on specific milestones. This could be saving for a down payment on a property, funding a child's education, or preparing for early retirement. These targeted goals provide motivation and a sense of purpose in their budgeting. Emergency fund. Prioritizing the establishment of an emergency fund is vital. Wealthy individuals often recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in a high-yield savings account. This safety net helps to prevent the need to go into debt during unexpected financial hardships and provides peace of mind. Review and adjust. Life circumstances change, and so should your budget. Wealthy individuals regularly review their financial situation and adjust their budgets as necessary. They understand that a flexible approach to budgeting allows them to respond effectively to income changes, unexpected expenses, or shifts in financial goals. Automate savings. To ensure that the 20% savings goal is met, many successful individuals automate their savings. By setting up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts right when they receive their income, they treat savings like any other bill, paying themselves first. Mindfulness and emotional spending. Another important aspect of budgeting that the wealthy recognize is the impact of psychological factors on spending behavior. They learn to be mindful of emotional or impulse spending, identifying triggers and making conscious decisions to avoid unnecessary purchases. This awareness helps them stay focused on their financial goals. Networking and mentorship. Financial education is not limited to self-study. It often includes learning from others. Wealthy individuals create networks that facilitate knowledge sharing. They may attend workshops, join financial education groups, or benefit from mentorship. Having access to mentors who have successfully navigated financial challenges can be an invaluable resource. These relationships provide insights and experiences that can accelerate one's financial literacy. The power of financial education in decision-making. Financial education empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures. It instills the confidence needed to make big financial decisions, whether buying a house, investing in a business, or saving for retirement. Wealthy individuals often emphasize the importance of having a personal financial plan, one that outlines goals and the strategies to achieve them. This strategic approach is grounded in financial understanding, which helps navigate life's major financial decisions more effectively. Financial health and emotional well-being. Another crucial aspect of financial education is its impact on mental health and well-being. Many individuals struggle with financial stress, which can affect their overall happiness and quality of life. By investing in financial education, individuals learn to make informed decisions, reducing anxiety and fostering a sense of security. The wealthy often note that having a solid understanding of their finances allows them to focus on growth rather than fear, leading to an improved overall quality of life. Building wealth through financial education. In summary, financial education is a powerful tool that wealthy individuals use to build and maintain their fortunes. By understanding the principles of money management, investment strategies, risk assessment, and market awareness, individuals position themselves for long-term success. The wisdom gleaned from financial education not only helps them make informed choices, but also provides peace of mind, knowing they are equipped to navigate the complexities of their financial journeys. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these strategies. We believe that financial literacy should be accessible to everyone, and by spreading the word, we can help more people achieve their financial goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll be back next week with more tips and insights to help you on your journey towards financial success.